Okay, fam, we at Aldi's. Let me get my bags. I'm gonna do a $30 challenge. Let's see, what can I get for $30? My car locked. Okay, it is. So I see you inside. Alright, got my bags. Okay, they got the pineapples, $1.69. I don't need no pineapples. Let's see, I know I need some lettuce. This might stay where I need it to be. Need some lettuce. See that avocados is 65 cents. I need to get one. So I think, golly, that's hard. I could find one about, I gotta get this one for 65 cents. They got the little small watermelons, $3.99. I know that, which we gonna eat leftovers because I made hamburger helper last night, and I think I want a salad with it. I ain't even took their lettuce up to $2.15 for this bag right here. I was looking at the spinach. It's $1.29. I don't like that spinach. Okay, I guess I'll pay that. I'll probably put the date on here. 16, what the day is. Well, it looks good. See, the apples $2.99. The apples. Okay, I got my purple onions for that price. They still got this big bag of potatoes for $3.99. Can you get through?
Yes, sorry.
Come on. Come on. $3.99. Need some tomatoes. $2.19 for 3. I mean, this vine is. That's a soften up and up. Okay, I'm gonna get these right here. Oh, wait a minute now. That's $2.89. That's very hard for these now. I think I'm gonna have to get these. $2.19 for 3 of them. Okay. Get some ranch. Alright, let me get some mixed vegetables. Get some sweet peas. Okay, let's go back here to the meat. Okay, we're gonna get some sausages. $2.39. Of course, they completely out of my pork chops. So let's see what else I can get. How about that right there? Talking about the toughest meat. No, we'll not be doing that anymore. Okay, this is $4.99. Teriyaki. What for? Is that $4.99 or $4.66? $4.66. Okay, that ain't bad. Let's see. Okay, this $3.56. We're gonna be eating a lot of tenderloin. Surely is. They got them in different flavors. $3.71. Okay. So we got 3 of those. Beef is. Let's see how much they ground beef. That's 8. Okay, we're gonna get ground beef. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 meals. We don't need no chicken because I got chicken at the house. Got milk, so we don't need no milk. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe the price of these. Y'all see that price? And this is at Aldi's. Oh, no, it's gonna stay here. I got some eggs at home. So we're gonna hold off on the eggs because that $4, $5, $5. Okay, we're gonna get some. Where's my strawberry steak at? What the? I don't see my strawberry steak anywhere. Okay, here it is. Only 2 of these. And that's for $3.59. Okay, we gotta change of plans. Change of plans. I'm gonna switch out that mixed vegetable and get some more sweet peas. These some of the rudest people in Alabama. Okay, switching these out and getting 2 more of the sweet peas because so much like the mixed vegetable. So I think that is it. I believe that is it. Y'all see everything I got? Okay, I put that one in them pork tenderloins because that's too much pork. I got chicken at home. I got ground beef at home. So it's a week's worth of food. Now let's look at the Aldi thing. Okay, they got their Valentine up. Some cute little shirts. $14.99. And they got some little Valentine throws for $7.99. They got the little hard pillows for $9.99. And the little pop-up Valentine cards. It's $1.99. What is this? Only at Aldi's. Oh, the little slippers they look like. That is cute. For $9.99. Valentine mugs, $9.99. Match holders, that's $4.99. Okay, that's pretty much all that I see over here. All this. I got some little exercise stuff over here. So that'll be good. Excuse me. 2-tier organizers. What is that right there? Oh, that's a waste basket for $10. Alright, fam. Let's check out. Alrighty, fam. We spent $30.66. My subtotal was $28.33. With taxes, $30.88. Did y'all see the price of them freaking eggs at Aldi? $5, fam. $5. Who in the world?